Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to manage inventory on eBay. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then go to selling section at the bottom side of the screen, and then open all your listings and enter active section to see active listings. So here you will see a list of your active listings. As you can see, unfortunately, I don't have any listings because I don't sell on eBay. So tap on any item you want to update, and to change the quantity of the items, tap Edit, scroll down to the quantity field and update the number of available items. But for example, if you have sold out an item but you expect more stock soon, you can turn on the out of stock option in your selling preferences. Then pricing. To adjust pricing based on inventory levels, tap on the price section while editing your listing and set a new price if it's needed. You can also bulk edit your listings. So from the active listing page, tap Select button at the top, choose multiple items, and then tap Edit button to adjust quantities, prices, or categories all at once. And also keep an eye on your unsold section as well. So here it is, unsold. So if an item ends, you can quickly relist it with updated quantities and pricing. So that's how you can easily manage your eBay inventory on your phone. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.